Morning student, this is our English lecture, and last lecture of English we saw a punctuation mark. So few minutes we revise the punctuation marks and then we start our session. Okay, so let's revise the punctuation mark. So we revise the first punctuation marks and then we start our session. Okay, punctuation mark. The English language has a symbol of system of symbol and sign known as a punctuation mark. Punctuation shows us how to structure sentence and how each sentence should be read. These are the punctuation marks we saw last period. We taken a 4 punctuation mark last period, है ना. हमने 4 punctuation mark last period में देखे थे. The one is full stop. A sentence begins with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Then we saw a question mark, है ना. A sentence that asks a question end with a question mark. Then we saw a comma. Comma is used to separate 3 or more words in a list, and also comma is useful for a short pause in a sentence. Then the last we saw a exclamation mark. We use a exclamation mark at the end of the word and a sentence show a strong feeling such as surprise, anger and joy. In this way we complete our punctuation mark last period, and today we revise the punctuation mark. Now let's start our session. Okay, we saw we see a story today. Okay, so start our today's session. So today we see a story. Okay, एक स्टोरी आज हम देखने वाले हैं. फर्स्ट वी रीड अ स्टोरी. पहले हम स्टोरी पूरी पढ़ेंगे. ओके, देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू द स्टोरी इज रिलेटेड और रिगार्डिंग वॉट. ओके, पहले मैं आपको स्टोरी पढ़ के दिखाऊंगी. पूरी स्टोरी हम पहले रीड करेंगे और उसके बाद हम देखेंगे कि ये स्टोरी क्या है. स्टोरी पढ़ते समय आपको थोड़ा बहुत अंदाज़ा तो आ ही जाएगा, लेकिन आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द स्टोरी, आफ्टर एक्सप्लेनिंग द हार्ड वर्ड, I will explain you a full story. Okay, but first we read a story. Fifth lesson: the story of Sindbad the Sailor. The story of Sindbad and his seven The story of Sindbad and his 7 fantastic voyages appears in the huge collection of story. The book of 1001 Nights or Arabian Nights. The story tells us that Sindbad was a famous sailor who lived in Baghdad. He was honest, generous, and brave. He has many adventures on each of his voyage. He never lost heart and hope in the dangerous situations. He overcomes great dangers and return home safely from each of his voyage. Here's the story of his first voyage. Okay. The first voyage. Now we start. Okay. The story of Sindbad and Sailor. The story of Sindbad and his 7 fantastic voyages appeared in the huge collection of stories. The Book of 1001 Nights or the Arabian Nights lived. The story tells us that Sindbad was a famous sailor who lived in Baghdad. He was honest, generous, and brave. He had many adventures on each of his voyage. He never lost heart and hope in dangerous situations. He overcomes great dangers and return home safely from each of his voyage. Here's the story of his first voyage. The first voyage. Sindbad set sail with a company of merchants on a big ship. From time to time they stopped at various ports. There are sold their merchandise and brought a new things to trade. One day, when their ship was sailing smoothly across the sea, they spotted a small island at a distance. They had not seen land for many days and felt both surprised and happy to see the island. They sailed close to the island. The captain of the ship allowed them to go there for a picnic. Everyone was excited. On the island, they strolled around, sang, and danced. Some people began to wash clothes, some lit fire to cook meal. Soon a brave breeze sprung up, and the first began to blaze. Soon a blaze sprang up, and the fire began to blaze. Suddenly, the island began to shake and move. With a shock, the picnic party realized that the island was not an island at all. They were on the back of a huge sea monster, and it had started moving. People began to scream. They left their pots and pans, their clothes, both washed and unwashed. They rushed back to the ship. The captain ordered his men to set sail immediately in order to move away from the monster. Second page. The sea monster plunged deep into the sea. Many of the people managed to climb aboard the ship, but many sank into the sea with so-called Iceland. Sindbad alone did not drown in the sea, but he could not reach the ship. He saw it sailing far, far away. He was now at the mercy of the waves, being tossed here and there. He clung to the piece of wood and somehow managed to keep afloat. He spent the night alone at sea. When the next day clouded, Sindbad was happy to see that he had floated near an island, the real big island. He could see hills and woods and trees at a distance. Though he was extremely tired, he swam to the shore with all the strength that he could muster. Exhausted and hungry, he lay on the sand for some time. Then again he made an effort and began to walk inland toward the shady fruit tree that he could see at a distance. Luckily, this was the time when the king of the island sent his horses to the seashore with the groom. The groom saw Sindbad and gave him food and drink. They look him to the king. The king, third page. Wait a minute. Okay, start. Luckily, this was the time when the king of that island sent his horses to the seashore with the grooms. The grooms saw Sindbad and gave him food and drink. Then they took him to the king. The king, now third page, was impressed by the way Sindbad told him about what had happened. He asked Sindbad to stay with him and work as an officer of the king of the port. Sindbad stayed there for a few days, learning a lot from the king and the people on the island, and in return telling them about the other cities and port that he had visited. At the port, Sindbad often made inquiries about any ship coming from or going to Baghdad, but no such ship ever come to that port. Then one day a ship arrived at the island with a lot of merchandise. Sindbad was at the quay when the cargo from that ship was being unloaded. He was surprised to see that his own name was marked on such of the boxes. Then he went to see the captain of the ship. At first, the captain could not believe that it was the same Sindbad that they had seen drowning in the sea. But when Sindbad spoke to him face to face, he recognized him. He was overjoyed to see Sindbad alive. He gave him back all his merchandise. From the goods that he thus got back, Sindbad presented the most valuable item to the king of the Iceland, saying, "Please accept this, your majesty. You have been very kind and very generous to me." The king was pleased. He too gave Sindbad many valuable gifts when Sindbad left the island with the merchant ship. If you want to know what happened to Sindbad afterwards, you have to read the rest of the story of his fantastic voyage. Okay, this is I we all read this story. Okay, now we saw a hard word related to this story. अभी हम क्या देखेंगे? कुछ hard words देखेंगे ये story से related. Now we see a hard word related to this lesson. Okay, subject English. The story of Sindbad the Sailor. Hard words. Merchandise. Good or things for a sale. Second, trade. Given in return for something. Sell. Third one, strolled. Walk here and there without hurrying. Fourth one, sprang up. Develop or began to blow suddenly. Blaze. Burn strongly. Afloat. Floating. Seventh one, all the strength that he could muster. All the strength that he could use at time. Inland. Towards an area of land away from the seashore. Ninth one, grooms. Person who take care of horses. Then the 10th, quay. A platform in a port or harbor where boats come to load or unload their luggage. 11, cargo. load of goods or a thing carried in a ship or an aeroplane. We read the lesson and saw a hard word. Okay, now I will explain a story in short. This is the story of Sindbad the seller. सिंदबद नाम का एक सेलर था, उसकी ये स्टोरी है. द स्टोरी इज अबाउट द सिंदबद सेलर इज इन अरेबियन नाइट्स. अरेबियन नाइट्स ये जो एक स्टोरी का बुक है, इसमें हमें सिंदबद की बहुत सारी स्टोरीज मिलेंगी. तो सिंदबद की ये स्टोरीज किससे रिलेटेड है? तो सिंदबद की ये स्टोरी जो है वो एक ब्रेव सेलर था, एक ब्रेव मर्चेंट था. उसने अपने वॉयर्स को बहुत ही, सिंदबद इज अ सेलर, ये एक सेलर था और उसने अपने कलीग्स को, वॉयर्स को वो बहुत सारे डेंजरस सिचुएशन से बचाया था. ठीक है, ऐसी बहुत सारी स्टोरीज सिंदबद से रिलेटेड हमें अरेबियन नाइट्स में पढ़ने को मिल सकती है. अभी ये जो स्टोरी है वो उसके फर्स्ट ब्रेवरी की स्टोरी है, फर्स्ट ब्रेव सिचुएशन की ये स्टोरी दी है कि सिंदबद की ब्रेवरी और सिंदबद की ब्रेवरी जो है उससे रिलेटेड ये फर्स्ट स्टोरी जो है ये दी है. तो आज तो हमने ये स्टोरी पढ़ ली है. नाउ वी एक्सप्लेन दिस स्टोरी टुमारो. ओके, तब तक आपको क्या करना है, तो ये स्टोरी रीड करनी है. स्टोरी रीड करके उसके हार्ड वर्ड्स देखने हैं, वो आपको रीड करने हैं और हार्ड वर्ड्स जो है वो नोटबुक में कॉपी करने हैं. ओके, देन द नेक्स्ट lecture of English we will see next lecture of English we will see the explanation regarding this story. Okay, bye.